Welcome guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can earn money by using the YouTube automation shorts channel using AI, which runs completely on autopilot. But you probably think that in this way, can anyone earn money? And if so, how much? The answer is $2,431 with 35.7 million views. 35 million views in short videos is nothing. You can get this many views with only one short video. To be honest with you, this result isn't mine. This is my friend's channel, and he is making $2,000 by uploading short podcast videos. Now you might be wondering how we could create this type of short with AI in no time. The answer is this video. Just watch this video till the end, and then you will know how to create a short with AI. So let's finish the trailer and get started with the video. So we're going to create podcast shorts, but we don't know what to make. That is why I go to ChatGPT and ask him to tell me the most trending YouTube podcast channel. And here are some of the most popular podcast channel names. For this video, I want to create a short from Joe Rogan's podcast. We all know that Joe Rogan is very popular. Now that we know what the topic is, all of us are going to attack Joe Rogan's YouTube channel. Now I'm looking for the most successful video in the last 30 days. This is the most viral video. So just download it. Now what do you need to do, guys? Head over to Google and type OPUSPRO, Opus Pro. Click on the first link and then you will appear on this page. Here, you just click on sign up and then enter your Gmail. Click. OTP has been sent to that Gmail, 614654. As you can see here, I got 90-minute free trial, which is valid for 7 days. To get started, just paste your YouTube video link here and click on get clip in one clip. It says it will take 10 minutes to generate. Depends on how long the video is. Long videos equal more time. After 10 minutes, it gave us 3 shorts from a 12-minute video. Here, this score is for how engaging the short is. The higher the number, the better for us. Now, I think I don't have to tell you what you need to do. Go to YouTube Studio and just upload these shorts. Now, what about the result? We're creating these shorts with AI, and we're not giving so much of our time to create them, but my friend creates them manually. Obviously, that will be much better than our shorts. Thing is, the more time you spend creating, the more results or juice you will get. And here is my result. I don't want to show you, but to be honest with you, I think it is my responsibility to show you what is right and what is wrong. And I'm just experimenting with that. Can anyone earn money this way? The answer is no, but if you take the I generated short and edit it your way, then I'm sure it can earn more views, even millions like my friend's channel. So if you found this video useful, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified every time I publish a new online money making video. Thanks for watching.